Hey guys, I can't wait for you to see the carbon buildup on these valves. A 30-year-old engine. Now we have the test for seafoam. Can seafoam do it? We're about to find out with this bore inspection scope camera. So, will seafoam actually work? Hey guys, Nate with Nate's Interactive Auto. Let's go ahead and dive right in using the seafoam. It says add 2 ounces per gallon of gasoline. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Well guys, will seafoam actually work? Cleans injectors, stabilizes fuel, clean deposits. We're going to find out if this cleans the deposits on these intake valves. They're really gummed up. So drop a line in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think, or if you've had any experience yourself with seafoam. Let's go ahead and show you guys what these valves look like before. Okay guys, I'm ready for you to see the results. Do you think this actually worked? Let's go ahead and jump right in. Have you ever used it in the fuel injection system as a fuel cleaner? Tell me ways that you've tried this product. I want to thank you guys for watching. Nate's Interactive Auto. You guys get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video.